Neeraj, just wanted to begin by discussing the latest news flow coming in on Zomato. There's a bit of a bull versus bear case scenario wherein Jefferies has downgraded the stock, raising a question on the profitability and the valuations, while the other brokerages are maintaining it as one of the top conviction buys. What's your own assessment of Zomato right now?
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, I think what I've seen about Jeffries, little bit about the report was that they're concerned about the competition which is coming in the quick commerce space. And I think there can be some short-term consolidation in the stock because competition is definitely there. Like Swiggy, in some is doing well, plus Amazon and Flipkart, everyone is coming with this quick commerce, and they are going to give them some competition. But I think Zomato is very well established, and they've already, they've already been generating profits. So I think so after the consolidation, again the stock, I think if the one has a little longer term view, I think still has good promise. Quick commerce is a very big, field where even if there's two, three, four players, there is enough business that can come their way. I think the growth should continue as far as Zomato is concerned, and after the consolidation, I think the stock can be accumulated, and for a longer term investor, it's still I think it's a good investment.
Okay, that's that on Zomato. Kunal, what's your reading though on the charts? Because yesterday even Zomato cracked quite a fair bit. Does it seem like the stock could head into a bit of a consolidation patch? And if that were to be the case, do you sense that Swiggy will play catch up? Or do you think the entire space would be in a consolidation mode?
I think it could be a mix of both because, for example, yesterday we saw an outlier, the Avian International, that stock managed to show a very good price volume breakout, breaking past about the 200 levels. Then you had Zomato, I think, which is still, I believe, a stock in the range rather than any kind of a major signal of a volume, distribution happening to the stock price. So largely the stock over the last 2-3 weeks was, just hanging around the 50-day moving average, which was placed, I think, closer to 268, 69 for Zomato on the short-term charts. The stock is still perched, I think 10-15% higher than its 200 moving average, which I think is currently closer to 230, 235 for Zomato. So I think when you look at the charts, the setup over the last few weeks, over the last few months, it still looks like the stock could probably get back into a broad consolidation. Now Swiggy could be interesting take. The stock, of course, with the limited history, for the price, the volumes so far what you've seen for Swiggy has been on the higher side, and especially for from the time when the stock post its listing managed to see I think 4-5 days of very strong volume backed up move that led to almost like a 20% jump into the stock price, and post that we've seen the supports moving up significantly higher for the stock. So maybe I think we could probably expect Zomato to get back into a zone of consolidation. 250, 245 I think could act as a shorter term support, and looking at the weakness on the looking at the lackluster volumes, I would probably expect that that could act as a major support point or a zone of accumulation for Zomato.